Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Zaria and I'm a crochet artist. So hey you guys, I don't want to make all of this really long, but I haven't seen y'all in like a month and a half, but it's okay, but it's not okay. My last long video was my Halloween video, so yeah, it's almost been 2 months, but yeah, sorry guys. This holiday season has been crazy. I went through like a good period of like crochet block and creative block, and it was because I was filming videos and none of them were like coming out how I wanted them to, or like up to my standards to, you know, what I would post on YouTube. So it was really frustrating me, and I think I just needed a break from everything altogether, along with like the holiday season. Then I got like a really bad cold that lasted for like 2 weeks, and now it's Christmas, so yeah. I have been uploading like a few shorts here and there, but I haven't made like a long video since my Halloween video. And yeah, today is the 21st, I think, yes, of December, so Christmas is in a few days actually. So I guess this is kind of a little life update or whatever, but yeah, y'all literally haven't seen me since I got new glasses. That's crazy. I had a whole different pair of glasses the last time y'all saw me, but anyway, it's okay. Somebody asked me to make little ducks for them, so that's what I have been working on, and that's what really has gotten me out of my little crochet funk. And now I'm ready. I feel like I'm ready to tackle any crochet project. Let me show y'all the little ducks I've been making. I just posted a short, so if y'all haven't seen that, y'all can check that out. But this was the first one I made, classic, just yellow. And then I made this brown one, and yesterday I made this one. This is the one I made my YouTube short with, but it's on TikTok too if y'all want to go check it out. But look how cute this one is. She says she wants 12 of them, and she just wants them in like different colors and stuff, so that's what I've been working on. She doesn't need them till the end of January, so I have time, but I wanted to make sure I could make something like this. But oh my god, they're so cute. And I'm gonna make like other colors like blue and pink and all that stuff, but this is what I got so far. Also, we have hit 800 subscribers, even though I haven't been posting videos, but like my tutorials and some other videos still get a lot of traction, so thank you guys for the subscribers. So I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you that have subscribed in the past like few months, even though I haven't been posting anything. I still really appreciate you, and I really hope you enjoy this video. And yeah, another reason I was like, you know, abstaining from crocheting is because I had a wrist injury. It's better now, but it was really bad. Like I just really like overused my wrist with crocheting, so I really had to let it rest for a while. Those little duckies I just showed you are my first thing I have crocheted in like maybe 3 weeks, you know, because I had to, you know, let my wrist rest and heal. Still using like my compression gloves and stuff like that, so hopefully going forward, like, you know, I know the signs and I know like when I need to rest and stuff like that. So that's that. I think that's all I have to say. I said I wasn't gonna talk a long time, but this sure sounds pretty long-winded. I'm sorry if like this intro was kind of all over the place. I just kind of wanted to update you guys with what's been going on in my life. I do think I should be taking it a little more easy on my wrist, so I'm trying to decide if I want to start posting more different content on my channel rather than all crochet. Like, let me know what you guys think. Would y'all still watch that? Like, I want to post other things, but I don't want to post it if y'all aren't gonna watch it, because I did post like a little short of like my hair and it didn't get any views. So I know the algorithm on YouTube is kind of different and finicky, like when you post, you know, stuff that's not in your niche on your channel. But I do want to post more content other than just crocheting, because it does get taxing on my wrist to try to make you know, different videos all the time on top of people who order stuff from me. And you know, the other type of content I want to create would just be like maybe like fashion and thrifting. I do a lot of thrifting, and I would love to like maybe make thrift vlogs or stuff like that, or like fashion videos with the stuff I thrifted and stuff like that maybe. And even like hair content, because I know a lot of you guys like comments on my locks and stuff like that. So I don't know, I just want to, you know, branch out and expand this channel. I was gonna make a second channel and post that stuff over there, but I feel like I don't know, I feel like I should just post everything on my channel. It's my channel, but you know, I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know. I don't really have a video planned today. I just really wanted to get a video out there for you guys because I haven't posted in forever. I think I just want to crochet. I've been itching to crochet. I haven't made anything for myself in a long time, so I think that's what I'm gonna do today. I think I want to make a hat or maybe two. Hopefully I can. We'll see. But it's currently like, it's almost 10 o'clock in the morning. Also, another reason I haven't been filming videos is because they're renovating the apartment next door to me, and it's so loud all the time. And what can I do? What can I do? I've been wanting to make some hats for a while now for me, but where I live, it's literally hot. Like, one day it'll be cold, one day it'll be hot, one day it'll be cold, one day it'll be hot. But I'm just gonna have to make them because when the few days that come are cold, I don't have any hats. So we're gonna make some hats today. I've never made a beanie, so I do want to try to make a beanie. So I think that's what I'm gonna start with. I'm gonna pick some colors and I'm gonna be back with y'all. I think I'm just gonna start with pink because honestly, I wear pink the most. Maybe not this color pink, but I usually am wearing some type of pink. I don't know. Or should I do a darker pink? It doesn't matter. I can make as many beanies as I want. Without a pattern by Viv Crochets. If y'all crochet, I'm sure y'all know who Viv Crochets is, but when I tell you I love her videos, I love her written patterns, everything. If you're a beginner, she's a good person to start with because she's very good at explaining, and you know, she lays everything out perfectly. So we're just gonna get started, and it seems easy. It seems like I just have to make a rectangle and then connect it at the top somehow, but you know, don't want to get ahead of myself. So I'm probably just gonna do a few time lapses and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll see you when I see you. Okay, so I immediately changed what color I wanted to do. I'm now doing like a green. I don't know. I want to do green. It's okay. But yeah, so far it seems pretty easy. I did my chains and half double crocheting back down. I actually need to charge my phone and my iPad and stuff, so I probably will do a time lapse a little later, so I will have some progress though when the time lapse starts. So yeah. Okay, sorry for this angle in the bad lighting, but I'm like by my TV, I'm watching like YouTube videos and crocheting. But yeah, I literally just continue to do the same thing for like the whole pattern, so pretty straightforward. And I'm gonna give you guys a little time lapse. This is what I got so far. But yeah, sorry about the lighting right here, but okay, you guys, I wanted to show you how much I've gotten done so far. This is what we have. It doesn't look like much, but basically the beanie is like the same thing over and over and over and over. So I just got to get it to the length to go around my head. So yeah. So yeah, I'm probably gonna do a little bit more of a lapse, and then I'm probably gonna like take a break and find something to eat and stuff like that. So yes. Hey y'all, I know I cut out some time lapse, but I didn't. But this is how far I've made it, bro. This is actually gonna take forever to make because I have double crochets, but the ribbon looks so good. I'm in love. But I'm gonna go find me something to eat, feed my children, aka my cats, and yeah, I'll be back. Hey you guys, it's the next day. I just got home from work. This is how much I did yesterday. I know I didn't film like all of this, but I got a decent amount done, but still like a ways to go, because like, you know, but yeah, I almost used a full thing of yarn. This is literally all I have left on it, but it is like little small skeins, it's not big skeins. They're from Dollar Tree actually. Dollar Tree has some good yarn. Like my Dollar Tree has like a whole section of yarn. I actually took a picture one time. If I can find it, I'm gonna put it right here. But My Dollar Tree has a lot of yarn, and like for $1.25, I feel like this is a pretty like decent size, you know. It's 109 yards, 50 grams, so yeah, I really do like it. And I love the ribbon. The ribbon looks so good, and it like stretches, you know. But yeah, I'm going to keep working on it, and hopefully I can finish it tonight. Hey y'all, it is the 26th, the day after Christmas. I had an amazing Christmas. I hope all of y'all had an amazing Christmas as well. If y'all celebrate Christmas, this is how much we've completed on the beanie. Basically an entire skein, because it's all that's left. So one of these skeins makes this basically. The last time I updated y'all, I said I was gonna work on it that night, and I completely did not. I went straight to sleep because I was exhausted, and I don't know why I thought I was gonna be able to crochet. But anyway, we're here now. I enjoyed Christmas. Christmas is over. Unfortunately, since Christmas is over, the like construction people from my leasing office are renovating the apartment next to me again. I don't know if I told y'all that. I think I told y'all in the intro, but literally, they're here all the time, and it sucks. It was a relief for them to be gone Christmas week, but now that Christmas is over, they're back, and they're loud, and they're like working up carpet and shit, and it's loud, and I'm annoyed. But anyway, that's all I really had to update you guys on. I'm gonna keep working on this, and hopefully I can finish today. I don't know why I thought I could have finished this in one day. I don't know. I think I can crochet faster than I actually can, and that's the problem. But anyway, hey y'all, it's the next day. I was working on the beanie all last night and today, and this is like the final length. It is gonna stretch, so I think it's gonna be long enough. I'm praying it's long enough, but I really don't know. We're just gonna try and see. But we are now about to seam up the sides and then close up the top, so let's get it. I just need to slip stitch it closed first. Okay, so I'm trying it on with like that berm up to see if it's like long enough. I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of tight, but when I block it, it should be okay. We're gonna hope and pray, because I'm not frogging this. I know I said I would if I fucked it up, but I'm not doing it. Okay, it's all stitched up. Now it's time to do the top. I need to find a tapestry needle. Hold on. I actually have one right next to me, so that's great. We're gonna attach our little piece of yarn. So it's threaded through the top, and all I need to do is pull it to tighten it like that. And then I'm going to take the end that we used in the very beginning, and we're going to tie them together. Once, twice, and then we're just gonna sew through to make sure it's secure. Now, I'm gonna cut that. Cut it out one more time. And then I'm gonna thread this loose through the bottom. Oh, and then all we have to do is block it. If I can find my crochet hook, what the heck? I was sitting on it. Okay, so I'm gonna go from the inside and pull these little two strings through. So they're on the inside of the beanie, not the outside. And then I'm gonna flip it inside out and weave in these two little ends, and then it's time to steam. Okay, you guys, this is the finished beanie. Well, almost finished because I have to steam it, but yeah, I'm gonna pray that it fits after I steam it, but we'll see. Hold on. Okay, y'all, I'm waiting for the steamer to get hot, but yeah, I think it should fit after I steam it, but even if it doesn't, I'm gonna put it on my head, and it'll stretch out eventually. You know, you guys know how yarn stretches out over time, but we're gonna try to steam this real quick. I'm not gonna lie, the steamer seems like it did a pretty good job at stretching it out, so we're gonna try it on. Trio wanted to say hi to you guys, but here's the hat. Oh, it looks so good. Let's see. Let's look at the top. How does it look, you guys? Oh my god, I'm so happy. It looks so good. Okay, I'm excited. Okay, I'm gonna go take some pictures, and if I have some cute ones, I'll put them on the screen. But yeah, this is how the hat turned out, y'all. Do you want to be in my video, Trio? Look. But anyway, this is how. Okay, you can go on. You're the one who came up on me, bro. Okay, look. Okay, I think it looks so cute. Thank you guys for tuning in with me again, coming on this little beanie journey with me. This is my first like classic style beanie I've made. I made cat beanies, but you know. And I think it came out so cute. So I'm so excited. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video just as much as I enjoyed making this beanie. As always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already subscribed. Make sure you guys like this video, leave a comment for me down below, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye, y'all.